Your new go-to card. Capture seamless 4K videos on your compatible phone or drone with this microSD memory card. Expanded storage gives you freedom to play more high-performance, intensive games on your tablet or gaming device, as well as extra memory for your GoPro. Take your burst shot. Stunningly fast U3, Class 10 rated read-write speeds up to 160/120ths of a megabyte per second. Let you shoot more photos faster. Squared and 4K videos look sharp with USI interface. Add space, keep it all. Huge capacities of 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB give you plenty of storage space for high-res photos, must-have apps, and all the media you want. Get extra drone memory that will allow you to record high-quality footage on your DJI drone, store it, and transfer it between devices. You're fully protected. The Pro Plus takes on life's adventures with water cubed, temperature to the power of 4, X-ray to the power of 5, magnet to the power of 6, drop to the power of 7 and wear out to the power of 8 protection, backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my action cameras. Needed more space on my action cameras, so when I saw this I was excited to get one. I checked with my camera maker and saw that this one was recommended on their site. So I grabbed one and was on my way to mini Hitchcock fame, someday, maybe. This was a good size and speed for my needs. It not only reads faster than the recommended speed of the cam, but it also is fast when I transfer to my computer for editing. I am so glad I got this model and size, so I will not run out space anytime soon and will be able to film with confidence that I will be able to capture anything my heart desires.